Did you know that over 70% of drivers don't have a reliable front and rear dashcam setup, leaving them exposed to missed evidence in accidents or theft? Today, we're diving into the Vantrue S1 Pro Dual 1440p dashcam, a feature-packed system designed to capture crystal-clear footage day and night, with advanced tech aimed at both commuters and enthusiasts. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the specs, performance, and real-world usability so you can make an informed decision. The Vantrue S1 Pro is a dual-lens dash camera offering 440p front recording at 60 fps, paired with 1080p rear coverage at 30 fps. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, an f1.8 aperture lens, and dual HDR for superior low-light and night vision performance. The 160-degree ultra-wide lenses minimize distortion, while optional CPL filters reduce glare from sun or rain. Integrated GPS logs your route, location, and speed, while the 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables quick transfers and live previews via the Vantrue app. For added convenience, hands-free voice commands and an emergency capture button streamline operation. Parking mode includes motion detection, collision-triggered recording, and customizable monitoring zones. The system supports up to 512 GB storage and can be paired with optional LTE modules for remote access. Top features worth noting: 1. High-resolution dual recording. The 1440p front camera at 60 fps delivers smooth, detailed footage, capturing license plates and road signs even at high speeds. Rear 1080p ensures full coverage, helping protect you from blind spot incidents. 2. Night and low-light clarity. STARVIS 2 sensors, f1.8 aperture, and dual HDR combine to provide exceptional nighttime visibility. Verified reviewers consistently praise its ability to capture sharp images in poorly lit areas, critical for both accidents and insurance claims. 3. Smart connectivity and GPS. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app integration make transferring, reviewing, and sharing footage straightforward. GPS adds a trusted layer of evidence with speed and location data, while optional LTE modules offer real-time monitoring for peace of mind. 4. User-centric design. Compact and discreet, the S1 Pro mounts neatly behind the rearview mirror. The adjustable front lens and detachable adhesive mount make installation simple and transferable across vehicles. Pros: excellent day-night video quality, robust dual-lens coverage, hands-free voice control, extensive parking monitoring options, optional remote access. Cons: slightly higher price point than mid-tier dashcams, voice commands limited to specific languages, PD fast charging unsupported. When compared to competitors like the Garmin Dashcam 67 Budu and Nextbase 622G Bayu, the S1 Pro excels in low-light performance and frame rate smoothness. Garmin's camera offers compact portability but lower night clarity, while Nextbase emphasizes software features like emergency SOS but lacks the same dual HDR precision. The S1 Pro also supports significantly larger storage, up to 512 GB, compared with many rivals capped at 256 GB. For build quality, the S1 Pro features durable materials and a supercapacitor power source rated for extreme temperatures, 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, suggesting long-term reliability. Vantrue provides an 18-month quality assurance with responsive customer support. This dashcam is best suited for daily commuters, long-distance drivers, or fleet owners who prioritize comprehensive coverage and low-light clarity. Performance drivers, or those seeking ultra-compact solutions, might consider alternatives. If this breakdown is hitting all the right marks and you want to drive smarter decisions on your next dashcam, give us a quick thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, the Vantrue S1 Pro Dual 1440p dashcam is a strong option. If you value sharp dual camera coverage, nighttime clarity, and reliable parking monitoring, this is one of the more capable choices in its class. For those with tighter budgets, the Nextbase 622GW offers a competent alternative with slightly fewer features. Thanks for watching. Links to the product are in the comments and description. Share your experiences or questions if you already own the S1 Pro. Until next time, stay safe and keep your ride autovated.